B, you've been working all day, and you've been laying the tiles out exactly the way you want them, right?
They're all planned out.
And so your strategy is to pick them up individually, put mortar underneath them, and then place them again.
That is the plan, yes. I know it's not a great plan.
Why not? I think it's a great plan.
Well, the thing is, it's like mosaicing is like a jigsaw puzzle you have to like make up while you're doing it. There's no like, oh, this is how you do it. It's like you have to make it up. And so, yeah, if you have a specific design in a humongous space, then what else could I do? Just, and the mortar dries really, really fast. So I had to plan it out. That was what I had to do.
Good. Are you ready to start doing it?
Yeah.
Are you feeling confident now?
No, it's stressful. I'm stressing out. It's gonna be fine. I just need to get it done. Yay! Let's get it done!
I anticipate this to be a unhappy, stressful hour.
This is gonna be stressful, I'm not gonna lie.
I'm gonna try to not let Viv get me angry.
Good idea, babe.
That's gonna be my main goal.
What's up?
Oops, I forgot to clean that.
We are all correct.
My clippers broke.
Oh wow.
They literally like broke in my hand. If you're doing a mosaic, you don't actually need clippers. You just need a log and a hammer. So much better to break tiles like that.
Yeah, that ball peen hammer makes it so easy, right?
The ball peen hammer?
Yeah.
Ball peen?
That's right.
Ball peen hammer. That is the hammer for the mosaic. A ball peen hammer.
That's right.
Alrighty, yeah.
I read somewhere online that you want to put pea gravel in the drain, like right around the drain. Voila! You see, we just poured a little bit of those rocks in there. It was about 2 handfuls of the tire, and that just made it so that we were able to fill that space around the spinny part of the drain. I hope that makes sense.
All the vein, all the vein, all the vein. It's just too bad when your eyes not again. All the vein, all the vein, all the vein. It's just too bad eyes not again. I don't get long. All the vein, I don't get long. All the vein, I don't get long. All the vein. It's just too bad when your eyes not again.
Hello YouTube friends, we're back doing the 12-volt light situation. Check this out. We have an on and an off switch back here. Don't mind those two. Those two don't work right. What's going on is we want the light to light up this side and this side. Currently, it only lights up this side if I put it up here. So, the mission is to put a 12-volt wire which runs behind the headboard of the bus and to the other side. Luckily, I've already done most of it. As you can see, green is black and white is red. In order for us to get those lights and these lights connected, we need to attach these to this light. Now with our past 12-volt tutorials, I've always had the opportunity to just screw wires together and wrap electrical tape around them. But in this tutorial, I actually don't have that opportunity, so what I need to do is solder this strip light to those wires. I've only done this once before in my life. I don't know. Here we go.
get lost. All in vain. That was one little hiding on there. I don't get lost. I don't get lost. He don't quit me. I don't get lost. I don't get lost. He don't quit me down. I don't get lost. I don't get lost. He don't quit me down. I don't get lost. I don't get lost. He don't see you.
Well, I can't imagine that was the cleanest solder of all time. So when I switch on this switch, we should have both lights on either side of me turn on. At least that's the hope. Here we go. Yeah! I soldered the joints together. Everything works great. I'm honestly kind of surprised.
It's 2 a.m. and I've finally finished tiling the bathroom floor. Yes. Ian also hooked up the 12-volt lights in our bedroom. So today was a good day. I am so tired. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.
When your eyes out again, all in vain, all in vain.
Look at my hands. Look at them. Oh my gosh. I'm a mess. I need to go have a shower. Bye.
All in vain. It's just too bad when your eyes out again, all in vain.